Peace and happiness to you all. So listen, we've reached an inflection point when it comes to AI for self-publishing. AI can do everything now. It can design the cover for you, right? As you can see here. It can write the entire book for you. As you can see here, this book was written. The whole book was written using Claude AI. The cover design and everything, all Claude AI. Let me just zoom in so you can see. We've reached an inflection point where AI can do all the heavy lifting. So this cover here, Claude AI designed it, right? For this book that I just recently published, that I recently uploaded on Amazon KDP. It's called Self-Publishing in Canada. As you can see here, everything is formatted. AI wrote the entire book. I just gave it a prompt. Now, I wanted to talk about specifically the cover because this is the same book, right? The same book. This book here, the cover, oops, sorry. I had it upside down. So this book here, the cover, I used the Amazon KDP's book cover design. This here, I used Claude AI designed the entire book. So I'm going to show you, right, the difference in terms of what AI can really do. This is all AI. So the entire book, everything you see here, it's all written by AI. Nothing, right? There's no manual editing or designing or anything like that. So what you're seeing in front of you on the screen is the design that I used for this book here, right? This book called Self-Publishing. Now, this book was written, AI wrote the entire book. It formatted it, it designed the cover and everything. Now, this is really, we are at a critical stage when it comes to AI, especially for people that want to self-publish their own book. Listen, Claude AI can do everything. It can do, it can create, it can draft, write, and design the entire book process. So now, let me show you something, right? Here's the book. Here's the cover design. Now, when you publish the book, when you publish a book or when you upload a book on Amazon KDP, you need to upload your own design, right? So for example here, so this is the book that I just recently published or I recently uploaded on Amazon KDP. As you can see here, the design and everything, the cover, all AI, right? Now, so when you're uploading a book on Amazon, right, Amazon is going to ask you to upload a cover design. Now, you can either upload your own design, which I did, right? But Claude AI designed this for me. Or you can use their built-in cover designer. So if I go here, launch cover designer, right? So as you can see here, this is their built-in cover designer. So let me just dismiss this. Now, their built-in cover designer is very limited in terms of what you can do, right? So let's say if I was to start from, right? So this is really, let me see here. I wanted to start because I edit style. Okay. Start over. Okay. Let me start over. Okay. Are you sure you want to start over? Okay. Let's start over. Okay. So, choose a design. Okay. So yeah, the designs are really limited, right? As you can see here, you don't really have much. These are the templates that you get. And then once you get it, then you can edit it, right? So as you can see here, this is one of the templates that I use for the first book that I published with Amazon KDP, right? Because I'm not a graphic designer. I don't design, so, right? I just went with the built-in, with the built-in design. But now, Claude can design the entire cover for you, the book cover, right? So this is what I'm showing you. This book cover here was entirely designed by Claude AI, right? So as you can see here, the back, the front, right? So the entire book is all AI generated. It's all AI created, right? I just had to read it through. I just had to make sure that the information was accurate, that the information was up to date, that the information made makes sense. And now you have a fully created and formatted book designed with AI. Listen, this is the direction that AI is going. So if you are a self-publisher or if you're an author, if you've been thinking about writing a book, this is the best time to do it. Don't delay. Don't waste time, people, because the time is now. You don't need to be a prolific author, right? You don't need to be a genius author. No, you just need to have ideas, knowledge, right? You can turn your knowledge into any publication. That's why we have the Project Creator Academy. So I'm going to leave the link below because in our academy, we show you or we help you to create, structure, and launch your business idea. So it could be a book that you might want to launch. We have an academy. We provide you with the templates, right? So all the tools that you need to help you get up and running, right? We have the self-publishing resource guide that gives you all the all the guides in terms of setting up your book. And then we also teach you about the business model canvas, so you can figure out different revenue streams, different marketing strategy for your book, and so on, so right. And then, so it's a monthly subscription, right? The monthly gives you access to all the tools, and then the quarterly gives you access to all the Q&A forum. So the self-publishing Q&A forum, the AI Q&A forum, the business model Q&A forum, right? So I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be in the description section and also in the comment section. So listen, now you really don't have any excuse. If you've been thinking about writing a book for years, right? You have Claude. Now, here's the thing though. You have to know, because remember, it's a prompt base. It's all prompt. You give it a prompt and then it writes the book for you, right? So as you can see here, I just gave it a prompt, right? Write a paperback book for Amazon KDP, step-by-step on how to, on a step-by-step how-to guidebook on self-publishing in Canada, right? So boom, it wrote the book, right? So it wrote the book, part 1, part 2. So let me just go through it quickly. Let me show you, right? So you can see the book, because the book is here. What I'm showing you right now is the design, the cover design, right? So you want to see the book, the actual PDF. So let me show you where the book is. Because listen, right now, things are moving so fast with AI. If you don't, right, if you're not up to speed, you're going to be left behind. So here's the book, right? So here's the entire PDF or the entire manuscript that Claude AI wrote, right? The formatting, the page and chapter layout, page layout and everything, right? And then here's the entire book, ready to go. So listen, stop wasting time. Stop watching AI news, looking for the newest AI model, the newest AI feature. Focus on what you're good at. Focus on extracting the knowledge that's in your head and turn it into a book. Now you have the resources. You have Claude, you have Amazon KDP to help you with it, right? So you write the book with Claude and then you use Amazon KDP to publish the book. So if you need help, that's why we have our academy. As I said, in our academy, we have self-publishing Q&A forum. We have AI Q&A forum. So when you get stuck anywhere with, when you're uploading your file, in our academy, we can be able to, we can assist you and direct you in the right direction once you ask any questions. So listen, we've reached a point where AI can do everything, right? It can write an entire book for you. So the question is, what are you waiting for? All that knowledge that you have, all that knowledge that you've accumulated, the expertise, the credentials, the studies, the research that you've conducted, right? The experience that you've accumulated that you've acquired in your profession, in your vocation, in your occupation, right? All that's sitting in your head. Now you have a tool that can assist you in publishing, in writing your book, in taking your knowledge, extracting that knowledge, and turning it into a physical book, people. So listen, I think I've spoken enough. Now it's really up to you. What are you going to do? Are you going to just watch this video and like it and subscribe to the channel? Or are you going to take action and write your first book? And as I said, that's why we have the Project Creator Academy to help you. So listen, I think I'm going to end it here. Hopefully you take action and use the resources that's disposable to you and write your first book. Listen, you don't have to be, as I said, you don't have to be a prolific author. You just need to take action. Just write the book. That's it. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared, right? It's your knowledge, right? That's why let the AI write the entire book and you review it, right? Read it through, review it, refine it, make adjustments, right? Correct it to see if there's any errors and all that, right? But you are the expert, right? You know more than the AI when it comes to your subject, right? The AI can't deceive you, right? The AI the AI can't, right? It can't deceive you because you know more than the AI when it comes to your subject. You are a specialist. You are a subject matter expert in your field, in your domain. The AI is just, your ghostwriter. It's just your assistant. It's just there to write the book for you. But you still have to read it through to make sure that, right, that the book, that the content makes sense, that the content is up to date, that the content is something that can be applied and your audience or your readers can see or can, you know, can take action and see real results from it, right? Because that's what, you know, that's what knowledge is all about. So listen, I'm going to end it here. I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to those that are trying to write their books, but they've run into a wall or they just don't know where to start. Share this content or share this video with them so at least they can start having some ideas on how to go about it. All right. So listen, I'm out of here. See you all in the next video. Peace.